What you doing? Come on. Let's go. All right, time to make dinner. Oh, the sun is so bright. Maybe go like this. Okay, I just got to camp. I'm here in, I think it's pronounced Lovell Canyon. It's a little bit right outside of Red Rock Canyon. Maybe if I put you guys up here like this. There we go. There's a lot of wild camping around here, plenty of sites. It's so nice and quiet up here, and finally the weather has cooled down, so I decided to go camping out here. I was hoping to have a campfire tonight, but I guess there's a fire ban going on right now still. I guess someone came and put a bunch of flags all over the camp, like the fire pits that were at some of these campsites that said no campfires. There's a fire protection going on right now. That's fine. It is currently 5:49 right now. I think the sun's gonna set in about an hour, so let's get dinner started. Tonight I'm making a cheddar chicken bake, and I'll be using my Omnia oven. Oh, I need to clean this. This is a super simple recipe. All you need is chicken broth, breadcrumbs, some seasonings, obviously chicken, cheese, some uncooked rice, and butter. This is the Omnia oven. And first thing you do is get oil. Oops. Spread your chicken out. Then you put your seasonings. I got this from South Dakota, I think, a while back. It's basically Rick's salt all-purpose seasoning. So just sprinkle that. Garlic powder. I like putting a lot of garlic powder. And to make it extra delicious, ranch seasoning. Oh no! Ranch season, it's a little windy, so ranch season's getting everywhere. Oh no! Mix that up a bit. So, and you take your rice. This is about, I want to say like 1.5 cups of rice. And then some chicken broth. About 2 cups of chicken broth, or enough to kind of cover everything, really. In a separate bowl, take about 2 tablespoons of butter. I have just shy of 2 tablespoons here, with about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. A little bit more. I'm trying to mix my butter concoction right now, but I accidentally put my butter with the ice in my cooler, and so it got cold, and now it's harder to mix it right now, but that's okay. You want to mix this so that we can put the crumble on top of this mixture. So as soon as I get that done, we can move to the next step. And then we add some cheese. So that it looks, a little more cheese there. It's slightly windy, so I'm gonna put on my windscreen to protect the flame. There we go. That should be good. I unfortunately do not have a thermometer to gauge the temperature of my Omnia oven, so I'm kind of winging it, and we're just gonna keep checking basically. But it should cook for about 50 minutes, I believe. Around, I don't know, like 290, 270, I think. I got the recipe on good old YouTube. And then when it's done, you can throw parsley on top, like sprinkle cut up parsley on top. But I forgot to pick up some of that, so hopefully this turns out delicious. I was hoping to catch the sunset. As you can see, I kind of missed it. It's technically not supposed to set for another, okay, 3 minutes, but it sort of went behind that ridge, so I missed it. You know what I realized I haven't done in like a minute on this channel is a good old-fashioned dorky dance. So we're gonna go do that. Come on, Tyson, let's do a dorky dance. Let's do a dorky dance. And we do a dance and do more dances and we whoo. Oh yeah. Wah-ha! Woohoo! 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 Uh-huh. All right, here we go now. Wah, wah, wah. Woo. Oh yeah, here we go now. Wah. Not a fan, huh? While I'm waiting for dinner to cook, let me give you a quick tour of my campsite. So right at the entrance, there's a main road. Fortunately, getting into this little canyon, there's like one main road and it's paved, so it's very easy to get to all of these campsites. And my campsite is right off that main road. There's a nice long driveway here. There are a couple fire pits. Can't make a fire right now though, but you could definitely fit like several vehicles here or one long RV, which makes it even funnier that I'm just one itty bitty little Subaru. These sites are actually a good distance apart from one another, but I can definitely hear that I have some neighbors a little bit down that a ways. Okay, so further down here is more space over there. I really like this spot because it's got a lot of like trees for privacy from the main road, which is over there a bit. And it provides really good shade too, because the sun sets down that way. So it was good for me. From the fire pit was over there, the entrance was over there. There's like a little road here, which I don't know why. I just decided I'll just park it right here because I wanted the shade earlier. And down here, there's another spot. I guess you could put another small rig here. And then further down is another spot, like another large spot, which I guess like if you were tent camping, you can camp over here. It's basically kind of like one long, gigantic space.
What do you think, Tyson? Do you like it? What do you think?
Okay. Dinner is smelling so good right now. Let's check on it. I think it's been cooking for, I don't even know how long. I set a timer just in case though. Oh my gosh, yum. I've got some liquid IV and bottled water. You know, there are bugs everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Anyway. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Ooh, looking good. Might just be done. Oh no! It's dropping in the hole! I feel like this is a lot of food for just me, but it's okay. I'll have a lot of leftovers. I just want a bunch of cheese. There we go. I don't know if you can see me. I have some lights pointing at me. That might be too harsh, but that's all right. Here's the finished product. Oh my god. Oh, honestly, I probably would have put a little bit more cheese. Oh, it's so good. I feel like it's missing something. I feel like I should have put in a little bit more seasonings. That was really good though. I wish I had a thermometer though, because then I know how long to cook it for. I think I accidentally cooked it just a little too long because the chicken tastes kind of tough, but I just wanted to make sure it would cook. Overall, it's pretty good. Definitely could use more cheese though. I think I have some extra cheese. You want a piece of chicken? All right, that's all you get though. No, I'm not giving you any. This is all for me. I don't care. Okay, fine, one piece. And that is my cheddar chicken bake. Seriously, a campfire would have made this night so much better. What? I'm not giving you any. What? That was delicious. Okay. All right. You want to say goodnight? I'll probably have to start cleaning up and bringing all this inside. I've really spread out here, so this is just going to take me a minute to clean up. And then probably eat the whole thing inside, so stay tuned. Ta-ta, it's okay. It's okay. What's going on? It's okay. Jump. Okay, I've successfully moved back into the inside. Ooh, that's hot still. Oh gosh. And Tyson's trying to sneak bites. Oh no! No, you cannot have any. No, you cannot have any. I really should have added more salt in here. I thought I was putting too much salt in originally. Kind of clear that I don't really cook a lot, huh? So I'm gonna eat as much as I can, unwind and relax for the evening, and then go to bed. It's been a good night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more recipes in the Omnia oven in the future. I'm definitely interested in making more things out of this. Maybe next time I'll try a dessert. Anyway, thanks for watching. Good night. Crap. No! I'm gonna have Butterfingers for a little bit. Oh God! Oh, wait, I left a light on. Oh no! Alright. Not my smartest move. Ooh! I need some electrolytes. I've got, ooh. What's happening? I don't think Tyson liked it so much. That's alright.